Hey everybody, Around the Future here. How are you guys doing? Go ahead and leave in the comments down below how you guys are doing. I know I haven't been on in a couple of weeks. Just a quick update. My knee is getting better. Most of you know I re-injured it over the summer, beginning of summer, so it is getting a little bit better. So I'm walking more and stuff like that. I've just been really busy doing other things and other projects. And I really just haven't had the time to make YouTube videos, but I'm trying to get back into it and fit it in as much as I can. So I'm filming this right now a few days earlier. From the thumbnail, at least I think it's going to be the thumbnail, I'm going to a major car show here in Las Vegas. And most of you know I'm into comic books and Hot Wheels, and I own a few classic cars. I'm really into classic cars. And for years, I've been meaning to go to car shows up here and film some really nice cars for you guys. But I just haven't really been going in the last few years, and other things come up. So anyway, a major car show, one of the biggest ones I've heard, is here in Las Vegas. In a few days, I'm going to go to it. I'm going to try to film as much as I can for you guys. So the weather's cooling down here. It should be a really nice day so far at the car show. So hopefully that'll be my thumbnail at the car show summer with some really cool hot rods and customs. So anyway, I just wanted to pop in and let you know that I'm working on going to a car show for you guys. Okay, so I'm real excited about that. Hey everybody, Around the Future here. Today we're at the Las Vegas car show, so I'm going to take you guys in with me and let's check out some cool cars. Okay everybody, so here's the inside of the car show. They got some engines going pretty loud, so I got to keep talking through this car show, and they got two different bands, so we know with YouTube and the music and the copyrights you have to keep talking. So I have to keep talking as I'm showing you the cars. So we got a few beautiful Corvettes right here. This is just the beginning of the car show. Got some really nice 60s, 50s cars here. So I'm going to take you to this little hot rod over here. Purple's my favorite color. So let's take a look at this little hot rod. Looks like something that belongs on the drag strip. These tires, these slicks. That's a beautiful metal flake purple. And you guys know how I love the chrome engines. These are the exact type of cars I love, the hot rods with the big chrome engines, fancy paint jobs. All right, let's see what else they got. Got a nice Camaro right here. And they got a few vendors, so we'll just take a walk and keep going. We got a custom car here. I'm not sure what kind it is, but I love the paint job. It's like a candy apple. Oh, it's a 1954 Mercury. So I'm familiar with the 49 and 50 Mercs, not too much with the 54. That is beautiful. So we got some real cool vendors here. Selling a lot of t-shirts and all kinds of goodies. I'll check those out later. I'm kind of anxious just to see the cars right now, because you never know when these guys are going to take off. Got some more guys here selling t-shirts and baseball hats. Oh, I like these shirts. Look at this. Hot Rod City. Can't catch me. Lightning fast. Oh, there's some nice shirts right there. Yeah, we'll come back and check it out. Got like this little tea bucket right here, another little hot rod. This is really cool. Love the paint and the flames. Okay, let's see what else they got here. I love these cars. So we got a delivery truck here, I guess they'd call it. Oh good, they got some VW bugs. Nice. Oh, we got a lowrider here, guys. Check this car out. This is crazy. Look at this. It's on 2 wheels. Has the hydraulic pumps in the back. Get a quick shot of this. I gotta get this. You don't see this every day. Oh, look at that, guys. Lowrider at its best. A chrome underneath. Oh, it's sitting on 3 wheels. Okay. Take you guys on a quick tour of this car. Wow, that is really cool. And look at this little hot rod right here. So I'm just going to keep walking around. Got a lot of beautiful cars here to check out. A nice looking Camaro right there. Okay, so we got a cool 48 Chevy. I just got through talking to that gentleman about his car. It's a nice little hot rod. Get a little bit closer here for you guys. Has a nice chrome engine. I think this is a Chevy Nova here. It's a drag strip ready. Love the color on that. And here is a beautiful red Corvette, fire engine red. I love the Corvettes. I got a lot of Corvettes in the Hot Wheels. One has flames at the bottom. Let's take a closer look at the engine, being it's open. Wow, look at all that chrome, all that jewelry for the engine. I love it. I never can get enough chrome. Wow, what a beauty. And over here's one of my favorite, well, my favorite of all times, a 32 Ford. Hot rods. Take a close look at the engine. It's a little bit in the shade, but that's all right. And there's so many nice cars here to look at. A lot of them are revving the engine, so that sounds really good. I love the sound. Love the big back tires on this. We got a real cool Mustang sitting right next to it. Looks like about a 65 Mustang, I'd say. Really, really nice. And that big engine he's got stuffed in there. You know, it's hard to see, it's in the dark. Okay, gonna keep walking around for you guys. Okay, so we got another 32 Ford here. The music stopped for a while, but you will hear the announcer talking. So I'm trying to talk a little bit louder so you guys can hear me. I always love the front ends on this car. That's why the 32 Fords are some of my favorite. Actually, it is my favorite. I keep saying some. The 32 Ford is my favorite. Some really amazing paint jobs here. So I'll just keep walking. I'll just let the camera run. Real nice cool T-bucket here. Look at that engine. Now they started the music, and so I'll just have to keep talking. So real cool T-bucket here. I have a model that I showed you guys on my YouTube channel. A car just like this.
I went down on my skateboard and ate shit at Burl. I hit a twig or a rock or something.
And then we got this. This is a 55 Chevy here. Oh, this is really nice. I'm trying to walk a little fast because there's a lot of cars here to see. So as you can see, they're on both sides. And even in the back there. And then I believe there's a museum here also. that the cars are inside, so I'm going to try to get some footage of that too. So here's a real nice Chevelle. I know a lot of you guys like Chevelles. Look at the beautiful engine in that. The sun's blinding me here, so I'm not wearing my sunglasses, but I can't see the camera too good, so I'm doing the best I can. So if you guys say, how come I didn't get this angle or that angle, I'm having trouble seeing because my screen's black, but I'm doing the best I can. It's a really nice day out here today. It's nice and sunny, nice and warm. Oh, what's this car? Pantera? Yeah, it's a Pantera. Look at this, you guys. The engine's in the back. Let's go check it out. Now, somebody started up their hot rod. I think you guys can hear that. Yeah, you guys can hear that. So there's a transmission, all in chrome. Pantera. I don't see too many Panteras at car shows. It's kind of like a Ferrari.
So please go look at your ticket. In 20 minutes, it's going to become clean. We're going to jog in. And then when we start our live auction, we're going to bring the gifts up here to the...
So the music stopped, but the car started, and this hot rod here started right up. It's nice and loud. A nice Mustang over here. Got some cool trucks. Some need to be restored over here. Cool Firebird. This video is going to be pretty long. I probably won't edit too much out. So I'm just here cruising around, walking around and checking things out, having a good time.
Walk outside, watch the cars pull in. It's cool.
Okay, they started the music, so I'm gonna have to keep talking for a little bit. Got a nice Eldorado here. Got a Cadillac coming up. Corvette. Oh, look at this nice Cadillac. It's beautiful. All black and red. It's just gorgeous. I want to show you guys in the back here. They got some semi trucks, which you usually don't even see at a car show. So I'm going to take a quick little video of the semi trucks real quick. Okay, so still walking. I still have the music playing, so I have to keep talking through the video. Got a nice Camaro here. So again, here's my favorite car, the 32 Ford, the Deuce Coupe. It's a 3-window coupe. It's been chopped. It's black with purple flames on it. So this is what Ron the Future likes. If I had the money, I'd buy this car. Got to keep talking again. Some nice trucks here. Okay, you guys, I'm going to take a break for a few minutes and then I'll come back. Hey everybody, I want to show you this little car here. It's a rat rod. Do you want to be in the video? Okay. Okay, this is what's called a rat rod. That means it doesn't want to be a show car, and it wants to be different. So you put parts and stuff on it that no one else has, and it kind of has a junky effect to it. They don't want it to be like a show car. I like rat rods, and this is a really wild one. taking a little tour of it here. What's nice with the rat rods, you can drive them every day and you don't have to worry about them, you know, getting chips and stuff, because they like the paint when it's not perfect and it shows the patina and everything. So it's a little pickup truck. There's the spider webs on it. A little bed. Some nice fat tires on it. There's a lot of detail on this. Try to show you the engine. It's a little dark. The interior. I'll come back to the engine here. That's a wild engine. Okay, I'm gonna take a break again and then I'll come back. Okay everybody, the music stopped for a second. Here's a really cute little VW. I had to get this because you know I have so many Hot Wheels that are VWs. Try to get this real quick. It's really cute. There's a lot of people here, so they kind of get in my way, so I have to wait for them. Let me get a better shot for you guys. Okay, got a cool wagon over here. It's all lowered down. And a truck. So I just keep taking breaks because the cars are kind of scattered. So, okay, hang in there. I'll be back. Okay, the video popped out on me. It went to photo. Sometimes it does that. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, so we got a nice 40 Ford here. Hot rod with the flames. Oh, my other favorite. Here it is, the 30. I keep saying my other favorite. This is my favorite, the 32 Fords. This is a little roadster. So if I had the money, this is the one I would buy. Probably a 3-window coupe. The roadsters are a lot more money. That means there's no top right here. It's a convertible. It's all open. But this is my favorite. This is Ron the Future's favorite car, the 32 Ford.
There's another one. I think you saw that.
So people are just in here, walking around, enjoying everything. So let's keep going. Some more 40 Fords. This looks like a little Mustang scooter right here. My dad had one of these. They look like a miniature Harley. Oh, another 32. Nice and yellow. This almost looks like Milner's Deuce from American Graffiti, but it is a roadster and not a 5-window coupe. But beautiful nonetheless. Wow. Wish I had that one sitting in my garage. Look at this beautiful candy apple car.
If I pass my English, I can use math. I'm good.
Little toy here. Looks like a little go-kart.
Oh man, I'm so ready for you. I'm so to get out of it.
Another 32 Ford. This we got a T-bucket with 2 engines, so it's a double engine T-bucket hot rod. We'll get a closer look at this.
So this board here has 2 Chevy motors.
So I'm going kind of fast because there's a lot of cars here. And I'm not sure what time they close, so I'm just gonna go kind of fast here. We got little dioramas right here.
That's my favorite thing.
Looks like a Conoline truck. Oh, nice dragster. So I thought this kept going. The mirrors were bigger. Got some more dragsters over here. Funny car. Let's go look at the funny car. It's been a long time since I've seen one of these. Since I was at the drag races and seen the dragsters and the funny cars. So I told you guys for a while, one day I'm going to get to the car shows. It's been a couple years and I did it. This is one of them. Probably one of the better ones we have in Las Vegas. A fastback Mustang. Oh, look at the engine on this. It's huge. 32 again. I'd say there's probably about 50 cars here. The place looked a lot bigger. When you get to the end of the aisleway, there's a huge mirror you guys might have seen. And that made it look a lot longer, the room, but it's still a big room full of cars. Another 32. And another 32. I have a 3-window. Looks like it's candy apple red. It's hard to tell, and it's kind of shady in here, but yeah, it looks candy apple to me. And this one here looks more just like a fire engine red. Looks like it has the flathead engine and not a V8. I don't care for the flatheads too much. I like the V8s better. This looks like a 34 Ford. I like these too, kind of like ZZ Top. The Eliminator, they have a 34 Ford. It's like a Model T over here. Kind of a hot rod. It's like a 4-door sedan. See a lot of people just walking around, enjoying the cars. This looks like something from the Munsters, the TV series from the 60s. Something like it. Nice little yellow Model T. An orange Model T here. It's nice to kind of keep the cars in order. So you guys, your 40 Fords, your 32 Fords, your Model Ts, or a T-bucket. A couple T-buckets here. So you kind of have some order to the museum. Again, these kind of remind me of something out of the Munsters. There's the big engine I like. That chrome. Love these header pipes and the big tires. Let's take a closer look at the inside, like we're getting in it. See the little doors? The doors are real tiny, almost like by a foot by a foot. A little tiny seat. It's kind of just like a big go-kart. And then another one here. Oh, looks like Elvis is in here. Elvis in his T-bucket. It's a cool mannequin. And just tons of memorabilia. I can't even get it here. I'd be here for 3 days if I got every sign and drag racing drag strip things and we got some real cool posters and signage and man, all kinds of stuff. I can spend all day in here easy. It's nice they don't have the music in here, so this car here, oh, it's a Lincoln. I just showed it on the tire right there. This is a beautiful car here, and it's very big. It's very long. It's hard to fit it in the frame. It's a big, long four-door. Kind of like the gangster cars, like Bonnie and Clyde type. Take a quick look in the inside. Oh, it's done up really nice. It's all been restored. Big long hood on it. That hood goes forever. Geez, it's about 5 feet long. Okay guys, I'm going to take a break, so I'm going to end the video right here, and I will be back. Another Corvette coming here. So let me drive by. I'm going to show you a few more around the future's favorite cars. A 32 Ford. We got 2 Roadsters and 1 2-door sedan. Let's go look at these hot rods. Boy, that's beautiful. The paint job on here. I wish you guys could see this in person. The sun's just shining on it. Beautiful. So it's nice the music finally stopped. Don't have to keep talking every second over it. Got 32 Ford 2-door sedan. These are okay, but they're not my favorite though, because it's a sedan. I like the Roadster like this, and the 3-window and the 5-window coupe. There's the band right there, so yeah, they took a nice break for me. Okay everybody, so I'm done with the car show, and I'm ready to leave. The music just started in again. So I hope this will be okay with YouTube. Okay, I just want to do this quick outro for you guys. So for those of you that stood with me through the whole video, I don't even know how long it is, but I know it's long. So I want to thank you guys. I always thank you guys and give you guys a thumbs up, okay? All right, thank you for hanging in with me. And if you enjoyed the car show, let me know. And if you can, let me know which car was your favorite. You already know mine's a 32 Ford. They call it the Deuce Coupe. Okay, so you guys take care out there, and I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, around the future here. I stopped real quick in the Olive Garden. I'm going to get some pasta dish, but I just wanted to show you this amazing view out here. I'll turn the camera around. Hang on. So I'm in the Olive Garden. I got the music playing, so I have to keep talking. But I wanted to show you this gorgeous view. I'm right on the Las Vegas Strip right now. They got the blinds here, but I can show you part of the Las Vegas Strip. So we're just a little bit past the MGM at the Olive Garden, and there's the area casino hotel right there. And not too far from the Mirage, and there's Planet Hollywood right there. But I never been to this Olive Garden, and I just wanted to show you a little bit. There's the Polo Towers right there. I got some nice roof shots here. I don't know what those buildings are in the background, but anyway, I just wanted to show you real quick to finish off the car show video. I really enjoyed the car show. I hope you guys did too, and you guys stay safe out there.